Today, I'm excited to show you what's in the Penspiration box for November from Cloth and Paper. When I opened up the Penspiration pens for November, I was so excited to see a zebra blend pen. So this is the zebra blend pen, and it's a 0.5, but to me it kind of seems like a 0.7. Maybe even a 1.0. Maybe that's just the way I write with it. I'm not sure. I absolutely adore the white body. I know it comes in pastels and other things, but I love white pens. I think most of my regulars know that. It's kind of like a broken record. I'm going to try substituting a refill in this. I'll report back if I come up with something good for those of you who also like a really thin nib. For those of you who like a little thicker nib, I think you're going to love this pen. Next up, in a very pale bluish pink, is the Schneider Top Ball 861, which is a 0.5. And you'll see what I mean about the blend pen when you look at the two next to each other. This is a pull cap and a metal nib. It is extremely smooth writing ink, and I think you can see the difference in this one compared to this one. It also made it easier for me to write, I guess, because it was a little smaller. Then we have a twin marker, and this has a very fine point on this end and a very thick point on this end. Good for sending packages off where you have to cross things off, is what I was thinking. And here's what they look like. Got a Pilot RexGrip 0.5 pencil. The 0.5 pencil writes thinner than any of the 0.5 inks, which I'll show you in a minute. There's a cap where the eraser is, so the eraser is protected, and it's a nice looking design. You can see how thin that looks. That's a pencil I could write with. And last but not least, we've got a Pilot Frixion highlighter. It's actually called a Frixion Light Natural Color. So here we have a highlighter underneath. I erased a little bit on that side. And then here I put the highlighter over my pen writing because I know you would like to see that. If you haven't used the Frixion pens before, you've got an area opposite of the marker or the pen that becomes the eraser. It's not like a typical eraser, it is harder. So if I just have the highlighter here, I'm going to erase that, and you can see that erases. Now I'm going to try to erase over my pen. As you can see, you can unhighlight your writing. I think I need to work on it a little bit more to be neat enough to go in my planner that way. I thought these were 5 good selections, and I will report back if I find a refill that works well with the blend pen. I'll do a giveaway for one of these pens. All you have to do is be sure you're subscribed to my YouTube videos as well as the email list. Link for the email list is always below. Be sure you confirm. Just leave me a comment. Which of these pens are you most looking forward to? Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.